The Hyundai Ioniq 6 blends practicality with futuristic style. With 610 kilometers of range, it's ready for anything: road trips, commutes, or family outings. Sleek, aerodynamic design boosts efficiency and turns heads. Inside, you'll find a spacious, premium-feeling cabin and user-friendly tech. Fast charging and smart battery management keep you moving. Responsive handling makes it fun to drive, not just practical. For real-world usability with flair, the Ioniq 6 stands out in 2026. Meet the Kia EV6, versatile, bold, and ready for anything. With 500 kilometers of range and a flexible athletic design, it fits every lifestyle. The interior is loaded with advanced driver assistance features and intuitive tech. Ultra-fast charging gets you back on the road in under 20 minutes. The EV6 balances comfort and sportiness, making every drive enjoyable. It's practical, smart, and fun, perfect for 2026. Whether you're hauling gear or just commuting, the EV6 adapts to you. Kia's EV6 is tough to beat for anyone wanting a smart, capable EV.